Hello, good day, dear beloved students. How are you doing today? How was the weekend? I hope you enjoyed it. Today we're going to learn about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes. Under that, we learn identification, type, and properties. Stay with me. Our learning objectives are: at the end of this class, you should be able to identify three-dimensional shapes, mention three types of three-dimensional shapes, mention their properties as well. Let me start with what three-dimensional shapes is not. It is not plane shape such as rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, triangle. Right? It is a solid shape. Three-dimensional shape is a solid shape. A three-dimensional shape has three dimensions. That is, they have the length, the breadth or depth, and height, or say length, width, height, or depth. Okay? Examples of three-dimensional shapes are cube, as you can see here, cuboid, cone, which is here. Now, take note of this cuboid is the same as rectangular prism. Pyramid, which you have here, prism. Now, prism, whether rectangular prism, triangular prism, or some other type of prism. Sphere also, cylinder. They are three-dimensional shape. As you can see them, they have length, they are solid. They are things you can hold. They have volumes. They have volumes. Yes, they have volumes. They can contain something. They can carry. They have volume. They have length, breadth, and height. Okay. There are properties. Properties of three-dimensional shape is that they have vertices, what we call corner vertices. They have vertices. They have edges. Now, edges are this line along this place, I think between one vertex and the other vertex. Between one vertex and the other. That is the edge. They have faces, this place is here. Okay? Alright. Now let's pick them one by one. For a cube, as you can see, has all its edges equal. All the edges are equal. And they are 12 in number. Okay? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are some at the back that will be like this. 10, 11, 12. Okay? And they have 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have one at the corner here, 7, and the one outside there, 8. Alright? And 6 faces. 1, 2, 3. Facing us. Then there's one under. There's one here, and there's one here at the back. Makes 6. Alright? Cuboid is like it also, in that it's just like it's not having all the vertices, all the edges equal like a cube. A cuboid, like we said before, it's also called rectangular prism. As you can see it here, that's a cuboid rotated so that you can see clearly. You can open it up like you can see it here, right? You can open up, that is just like a box, like your candy box. You see, And it has 8 vertices, just like cuboid. Just like cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8 vertices, 8 edges. 12 edges and 6 faces. 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 vertices. You can count them. Just look at it. Look for a box, your candy box, the carton of things you have in the house. Even the carton of medicine you have, carton of blood tonic. Check them. You will see that you can count them. You will have 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces. Alright? Let's look at prism generally. Now this is triangular prism. Alright? As you can see here and here, triangular prism. Alright? Why do we call it triangular prism? Because if you look at it from this point, alright, we have from this way here, it has triangular shape. Alright? And for triangular prism, it has 6 vertices, 9 edges. It has 5 faces. 2 of them are triangular. You check this, the one at the back, then 1, 2, 3. Alright? Again, this face that is moving, this face, the one at the back, then the 3 rectangular faces. That is, it has 2 triangular faces, then 1, 2, then under it 3 rectangular faces, making 5 faces. Alright? Pyramid. Pyramid, as you can see, it has 5 vertices. That is 4 on the ground here. 1. Okay, then 1 here. That is 4 plus 1, 5. The edges, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges and 5 faces. 4 triangular faces all around it. Then under it, the square face or rectangular face, depending on the kind of pyramid it is, 5 faces. But in the case of a sphere just like a ball. Exactly. That is a shape, solid object. And example of sphere, like I said, is a ball. Alright? And ball does not have an edge. Look at it, all around. No edge or limited faces, because you keep going around, you keep having the faces, and there's no vertex. That is a sphere. We've learned some things this morning. I believe you could recall. And let me ask you some questions. Try and answer them. Describe 3-dimensional shape. What are 3-dimensional shapes? Mention types or examples of 3-dimensional shapes and mention their properties. Now you can look at this, copy this to help you now. We have some other ones there. We have learned about this one. We learned about this one. We learned about this. We learned about this. I'd like you to work on this. Find out the name of this. Find out the name of this. And find out the name of this also. Then fill this. Alright? It's going to help you. That is your worksheet, what you're going to work with. Right? And as fast as possible, I'd like you to send it to me. You can send it to me. You can copy it and send it to me. Alright? My email address is at the beginning of this page. Thank you for listening. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and bye for now.